guys, PC Basics back at you with another video. Today I got this Dell laptop, the battery's going bad on it, so we got a new battery right here. Gonna install that. So anyway, let's get into it. Probably that one. Oh dude, first try. Alright, there it is. Alright. So, here's the battery. We're gonna unplug it from right here. Undo these 4 screws. Put the new battery in and that should be it. Oh dude, you can put another SSD in there. There's your other one.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I might actually get one of those.
There's your wireless card.
Because this thing's already full.
Happens. Use a bigger screwdriver. That is one. Okay. No, I'll unplug it first. That'd probably be a good idea. That is thin. Do something smaller. Okay, probably should have pulled that out a little more evenly, but whatever. Alright, now I'm going to have to lift it up to get it the rest of the way out. Well, that's magnetic. Okay. There's your battery. Alright, so it looks like this one comes with screwdrivers, instructions. Okay. And the new battery. Does it match? Yes it does. Awesome. Put this one here. Okay, now we're just gonna need to re-loop all that. Okay, like that. Does it have a cable? No. Hey guys, I'm gonna interrupt the video real quick just to say, if you are installing one of these batteries, make sure you check the width of the battery. This one's just a little bit like higher, a little taller, so it makes the touchpad a little harder to click. So just keep that in mind if you're installing one of these on your own laptop. We actually were able to fix the touchpad just by kind of pushing down on the palm rest that's right in front of it. So just keep that in mind. Oh, I need to take that cable off. Okay. Oh my goodness. There we go. So just unplug. Or just unplug, I would imagine. Take these pins right here that came out of this battery. You gotta plug them in right here. If the connectors fit, it should work just fine. There it goes. Put that tape back down. It's plugged in good. That back like that. Let's plug back in. And just like that, it's all lined up. I'm just gonna scooch it over a little. Make it fit. There we go. I don't need these. Okay, there we go. Now, before we completely button this thing back up, it's probably good to turn it on and see if it works. That is going to snap when it goes in. Okay, that's the stripped-ish screw, I think. Yeah, it looks like every other one's good here. Just make sure they're tight. If I can get that on. Horrible lighting. This won't even fit. Come on. There we go. That one's on. That one's on. That's good. Now, the piece of resistance. Just look it over. Yep. Good, looks good. So guys, we put in our new battery. I already turn it on. I don't know if it went back in the hibernate or if it's dead, but it gets power, as you can see. Plug it in real quick, because it is dead. The battery's dead, but it gets power, which is good. Gonna go into the BIOS real quick. I think it's F12. Maybe not. But I want to show them the battery real quick. Okay. See, there it is. Dead battery, but it's charging. And it works. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell possibly. You don't have to. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace.